You want me to do it again?
Yeah.
So.
This is my little friend Tristan. He came back from summer camp today, and he's making a volcano. That's their little friend.
Is that a video camera?
On my iPod, yep. This is Latrell, and there's Amari.
That's you!
Stop jumping, or you break your legs.
Where'd you go?
And there's Mr. Brian.
Hey.
It's his house I'm in.
I need to go put this up.
Okay.
Don't make me spill it. It spills when it's when you go through the floor.
Okay.
There you go. And then the floor will be on. Yeah, I need to pour it out. Where? What are you doing? She missed it. And
Yeah.
I already told her. So disgusting.
How's that disgusting? You're not even wearing shoes, little person.
Yeah.
There's Tristan again. He's gonna make a volcano. What are you doing?
I don't know. It smells good.
It smells different.
Don't taste it until your tongue is going to turn
It's gonna turn what?
black. Who are you sending that to?
YouTube, probably. I don't know.
What, YouTube?
Maybe.
I want you to put it on YouTube, please.
Alright, I'm gonna see if I can download it on there. My pocket.
What's the title of it?
Tristan's volcano? I don't know.
Ooh. He's a volcano person.
It's on my iPod Nano.
And she's putting it on YouTube.
Here's Latrell's eye.
Eyeball.
There's Amari's nose.
Mm.
Alright.
Make it big. Big. That vinegar smells nasty.
Yeah, vinegar's horrible.
Can you drink it?
No.
No.
Why would you want to drink vinegar?
I don't know.
Then some Jello.
There's no Jello. There's no baking soda. Where'd the baking soda go? Daddy? Where'd the baking soda go? I need more baking soda.
You have some of that little spoon.
Oh, he used it all. No, I can't.
You need help?
use it.
Golly. That is a lot of baking soda. He's so tiny, the baking soda bag's almost bigger than he is. And then some baking soda.
Use 2 scoops. Why? It'll explode everywhere. Okay.
And here it comes. Mount St. Volcano bottle thing.
It's a lot.
Awesome.
Please tell me it's going to use all of that stuff. That might. It smells nasty.
If you people in camera land could smell right now, you'd smell it. And it doesn't smell great. Despite the use of Jello.
Yeah.
Stop smelling it then.
I'm not even smelling.
Little people.
What are you going to name it?
Tristan's volcano.
You mean ugly volcano?
No, stop being rude.
What? An ugly volcano?
Yeah, that's what he said. You mean little munchkin. Everybody say bye.
Bye.